Good morning. Good Monday morning class. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Take a look at your Mindful Monday activity. Have your responses ready to share at our 8:30 morning meeting. At 9:45, you need to have your reading, writing, literacy notebook ready. The one that we set up last week with the table of contents. We will take some notes on text to self and learn the reading strategy of text to text with reading a story to discover and show how the story we read connects to other texts that you may have read. At 10:45 in math, we will watch a video and practice the three number forms, standard, written, and expanded forms. At 11:45, we will log on to IXL and start the diagnostic test for language and math. I will be able to see real time as to what question you are on, so make sure you have your IXL login and password. Let's make it a great Monday, and I'll see you at 8:30.